Where are you going?
Park.
Which park?
The rainbow and the last one.
What's in the park?
Playing.
Playing?
Yeah.
Okay. Look at me. What are you eating?
Gum crayon.
Gum crayon?
Yeah.
That's yummy. Come, let's go. Oh no, where are you? Abasi. Abasi, where are you? Peekaboo. I can see you from the holes. Yeah. Hello.
I'm Mr. Jumper.
Mr. Jumper.
I'm in the bag. And that's the I'm just start talking. I'm just working here.
Yeah. Oh no, what's that? A bug?
Everybody's rich thing. What kind of this?
What is it? It's okay, it's just a bug. You don't have to be scared of a bug.
I never know.
This is a nice playground. We came after a very long year. It's changed. Yeah.
What changed?
Playground has changed. But it looks nice. You wanna go on the slide?
What changed into? Changed into?
Go on the slide. Careful. Sure. Someone कौन है मेरे अलावा यहाँ पे? Yeah, I can't. I'm waiting for you at the end. Yeah, go for it. What are you doing?
Just doing this magic tricks.
Magic tricks.
I'm going to show you.
Hmm.
Before you're going to sit,
Yeah.
put your two hands like this.
Yeah.
Put your feet like this. And if you're going to slip, just you tight them. Like that. I'm jumping down. Mama,
Yeah.
last time I was so scared of going over there.
It's okay. You can try again.
But I'm not. But I'm scared again.
It's okay. Then go try something else.
I'm just gonna jump. Or I'm just gonna get down. There's no way to get down.
Yeah, go for it. Climb up there. More. You can hold the sides.
Huh? Wait.
Come on. You keep playing. They are playing as well. It's their time to play.
Mama, it was at that school.
That's a different school. Where you will go, you will wear, like they are wearing blue, you will wear red.
Am I gonna be in Red's team?
Red or maroon, I think. And dark blue pant.
I think I'm gonna be in dark blue pants.
Mm-hmm.
And red. Or I'm gonna be black.
No, it's mine. Black is mine.
Oh no, I'm black team. Now I'm gonna go back and now I'm watching everybody.
There, I'm coming. You pushed me again. Hey.
Yeah. I'm gonna push you back where you are. Oh,
What happened?
nothing.
You're stuck? You need help?
No.
Yeah.
Night.
Yay!
No, you didn't win. You're going to your friends and I'm on my friends. Mama, I'm gonna press your button and your side will explode. Boop.
There. It's a line.
No, this is the button and your one will explode. Boop. Boop. Now you died.
Oh no.
Coming up.
Whee! Why? Go for it. Whee! Go, go, go. Go, go, go. I'm waiting. Go. 1, 2, 3. Woohoo! Again.
Okay, I'm doing it. Ouch. Ouch, ouch.
1, 2, 3, go. Mm-hmm.
I just dropped. Get that spider.
It's a spider web. You are a Spider-Man.
Ouch. Whoa. Whoa. I left. I'm gonna climb up there.
Okay.
To there. From here to there.
Okay.
I think I can't.
Look at me.
I can't do this.
You can do this.
Do this. Big boy. I can do this. I'm sliding down.
Hello again.
I'm just gonna slide down.
Okay.
What are you reading?
Nothing.
What's in your hand?
Nothing.
And where's my gum put on?
I kept it in the bag.
Okay. Mama,
Yeah.
I can do this.
Boo!
Peekaboo.
Peekaboo.
No.
Yeah, you need to make it go round. Yeah, hold these black ones and make it go round. Yeah, and then that ball has to go. Keep going. Yeah, your strong muscles. Whoa, not the big one, this small. Yeah, this one. Keep going, strong muscles. Yeah, you can do it.
I can do this? Oh my gosh, I can't.
It's too stuck, right?
Oh.
Good boy.
Let's go to sing.
Yeah.
See, big squirrels can. Basically, get to do that. And then what's your blender? I think you look at blender.
Look here. Here. Look at me, please. Look at me, please.
My subscribers, we are going home. Like and subscribe and follow.
Are you going high?
No, you went very hard.
Uh-huh.
Like a rocket.
Are you ready to go home?
Just take 10. Can we take 10 minutes?
10 minutes? Sure. We can take 10 minutes.
Mama,
Yeah.
why don't we have... Mama,
Yeah.
why do we have a curtain over there where Baba can see us?
Baba is not at home. He's working.
No,
Huh.
I'm saying when we open like this,
Yeah.
when we open the window,
Yeah.
that's where our house is there.
Yeah.
That's
It's there. Right there.
Where? Okay, I see. Give my push me, I'm going to sit down. This is very cool.
Mm-hmm.
No. Whee! No, don't come any closer because I can do it.
Okay.
Whee! Peekaboo! Peekaboo!
You having fun?
Yes, I am. Or like I am.
Yeah.
This is too easy. We take the stairs, go like this, and then the bag is over there.
Yeah, when you will go there, then I will move my bag from there. You're getting slow. You need my help?
No, I don't. Yes, I do. Oh, whoa. Maybe. I don't. Well, no, Steve came. No,
Yeah, more friends are here.
They both came now.
More friends are here.
It's one of these diddly days. Diddly days, is what they're called, yeah? Mommy, I need help in the start off.
I'm sure there's a nice way you can ask me.